What's the meaning of cadaverous? Cadaverous. Cadaverous.
Cadaverous. Cadaverous. The word cadaverous refers to something that has the appearance of a corpse or is extremely pale, emaciated, and unhealthy looking. It's often used to describe someone with a gaunt face, sunken eyes, and dark circles around the eyes, giving the impression of deathly exhaustion. The word can also be used to describe something that appears lifeless or stagnant, such as a cadaverous landscape. Overall, the term cadaverous connotes a sense of morbidity, decay, and death. Its usage is typically negative and evokes feelings of disgust, sadness, or fear.